Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hitting that play button. We're still here, guys. We're here at the National Corvette Museum and we're in the parking lot, and I wanted to get a quick video for you guys of all the CTF ZR1s that they have here at the National Corvette Museum. This is going to be a nice one. And you guys know, one of the main reasons I came out here to the Corvette Museum for the bash is that I wanted to see some ZR1s, and they have a plethora of ZR1s out here, guys. So enough said, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so first off, right here we have a competition yellow C8 ZR1, and it is a convertible. Yes, it is a hardtop convertible, carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber wheels, guys, carbon ceramic brake package, carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber right here on the inlet. Take a look at that badge so you guys can see it. Walk around to the rear. Wow, look at that, guys. Nice. Insane. And let me take a look at the inside really quick. I believe it has the natural and black interior. This car has the competition seats and the level 2 carbon fiber package for the interior. And I didn't get this, guys, exposed carbon fiber roof. Wow, nice. All right, next up, guys, we have a white C8 ZR1. And this thing looks crazy, wow. So this is a ZR1 equipped with the ZTK package. Obviously you can see that because it has a huge rear wing. Love it, guys. So you got the carbon fiber front splitter. You got these amazing racing stripes going all the way back. It's got the blue wheels. It's got the gray calipers, carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber here, exposed carbon fiber roof. And those stripes continue all the way back on the roof to the rear hatch, guys. Huge carbon fiber wing. And as you can see, guys, we did get a lot of rain here today at the Corvette Museum, and it's gonna be raining on and off. So I was like, man, let me get out here and get some footage for you guys before it starts raining again. So yeah. The life of a content creator, guys. I'm trying. All right, guys, next up we have a torch red C8 ZR1. Again, carbon fiber front splitter, but this one has the polished wheels, red caliper, carbon fiber side skirt, carbon flash right here, and exposed carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber right here on the inlet, and ZR1 badge. Rear spoiler and carbon flash, and center exiting exhaust. Remember, guys, these ZR1s are freaking crazy because we're talking 1,064 horsepower, twin turbo, 5.5 liter flat plane crank engine, 1,064 horsepower, 800 foot-pounds of torque, a 0 to 60 for these ZR1s, guys. It's like 2.3 seconds. It's crazy. It's crazy. Amazing. And then let me show you guys, it is a CTF vehicle, all of these, see? Capture Text Fleet. Capture Test Fleet. Started off with this yellow one. Uh-oh, guys, he's gonna start this other one up. Let's get a quick sound check of this one when he starts it up. A ZR1. I want to hear this, guys. I can't wait. I've got to wait until he starts his. Ooh, nice. Rapid Blue ZR1. It sounds good. It sounds really similar to the C8 Z06, which it should. It's still the basic design of the LT6, just with much beefier internals. Wow. Amazing. I love that color, rapid blue with the ZTK package. It is insane. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous car. I think that's the first rapid blue I've seen out here, ZR1. Wow. So we stopped off here with this yellow one. So we have a yellow C8 ZR1 with the ZTK package as well. Let's check it out, guys. Nice, wow. So it has a carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber dive flames, carbon fiber wheels, guys, yellow caliper, carbon fiber side skirt, carbon flash right here on the mirror cap, carbon flash, guys, roof, 8 pillars and the sails, carbon fiber right here and carbon fiber wheels, and this huge, guys, carbon fiber rear wing. Wow. All right, guys, next up, so this one is a black C8 E-Ray. It has the body color front splitter. It has a carbon fiber wheels. It has a blue racing stripe going all the way back onto the roof, like I was saying before. Carbon fiber right there, mirror cap. Right there, it has the carbon flash side skirt, carbon flash right here, and carbon flash on top with, guys, the blue racing stripes going all the way back. And it has the high wing in carbon fiber. So this is the first C8 E-Ray that I've seen with the high wing, guys. And I like this because it has the carbon fiber rear diffuser. Nice. Wow, I like the way he spec'd this car out. This is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous E-Ray, guys. Amazing. Nice. All right, guys, next to this fantastic looking E-Ray, we've got a orange, guys. Orange C8 ZR1 right here. And this car is equipped with the ZTK package as well. Let's start up front. It has a carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber dive planes, and it has the black wheels, orange calipers, carbon fiber right there, side skirt, body color right here on the mirror caps, exposed carbon fiber roof with the carbon flash nacelles, carbon fiber right here on the inlet. And as you can see right there, guys, it says ZR1. And obviously, since it's equipped with the ZTK package, it has a huge, guys, exposed carbon fiber rear wing. Nice. All right, guys, next up, we're back here with the Rapid Blue C8 ZR1 with the ZTK package, huge wing. Looking gorgeous, guys. Look at that. What an amazing looking vehicle. I freaking love it. Wow. Okay, next up, we have another competition yellow C8 ZR1. Wow, look at this, guys. It looks gorgeous in person, guys. I wish you guys were here to see this in person. It looks amazing. I hope this video does it justice. So let's start up front with this one. This one has a carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber wheels, yellow calipers, carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber right there, guys. On the inlet, exposed carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber right there. Nice body colored rear spoiler. And guys, look at this rear hatch. Look at that. Thank you, GM. Thank you for bringing back the split window. Wow. Amazing. Freaking amazing, guys. Check it out. Nice. All right, let's see if we can find another ZR1. They're everywhere. ZR1's here, ZR1's there. So we have a torch red. This will be my spec. And I say that because it's torch red. Obviously, you guys know I have a torch red C8 Stingray. But this car is a C8 ZR1 with the ZTK performance package. Man, look at this one. Let's check it out. So it has a carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber dive planes, carbon fiber right there, guys. Check it out. Black wheels, red calipers, carbon fiber side skirt, body color right here on the mirror cap, exposed carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber right there on the inlet, and check that out, guys, ZR1 badging, carbon fiber right there on the vent, and the huge carbon fiber wing. Check it out, guys, carbon fiber wing. Look at that, just for you guys, get in nice and close. Carbon fiber, nice. So it has the black center exiting exhaust. Get you guys a quick shot from behind. That split window, nice, wow. Look at that, guys, look at that. Check that out. Man, this wing is freaking massive. Wow. Crazy, nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. All right, guys, what did you guys think about those Corvette C8 ZR1s? To me, it was amazing. I couldn't be more and more happier to come out here and see these ZR1s. As you can see, they're right there, guys. Look at it, they're right there. ZR1, ZR1, ZR1. I mean, they look freaking incredible. When you guys get a chance to see a C8 ZR1 in person, you guys are gonna be amazed. I'm telling you, it's on another level. It's on another level. And I hope this video does it justice. And if it did, and if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new content, guys. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Stay safe. Peace. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, bro. ZR1. That is freaking nuts. Wow, guys.